What if I told you that 7 completely ordinary ingredients can replace most specialized cleaning products you're buying monthly, performing equally well or better across most household cleaning challenges while costing a fraction of what you're currently spending? They're probably sitting in your kitchen right now. What if the cleaning industry's greatest achievement isn't developing better cleaning chemistry, but convincing you that simple, effective ingredients require expensive packaging and branding to work? I made this switch completely and saved over 8,000 rupees in a single year. Stay with me, because this is the most financially impactful cleaning decision you'll ever make. The realization that started everything. I developed a habit of actually reading cleaning product labels rather than just trusting marketing claims. What I discovered was revealing. Many commercial cleaners share the same fundamental active ingredients: acids for mineral dissolution, surfactants for grease removal, mild abrasives for scrubbing, and oxidizers for disinfection. The specialized branding, the specific surface marketing, the premium packaging are all commercial constructions built around a relatively small number of actual cleaning chemistry types. Ingredient number 1. White vinegar. The chemistry: acetic acid at approximately 5% concentration. What it replaces: glass cleaners, mineral deposit removers, fabric softeners, general surface cleaners on non-stone surfaces. White vinegar's acidity dissolves calcium carbonate mineral deposits with remarkable effectiveness, making it the definitive solution for descaling kettles, shower heads, and faucets. Diluted with equal parts water, it creates a general-purpose surface cleaner, leaving no residue. Ingredient number 2. Baking soda. The chemistry: sodium bicarbonate, mildly alkaline with gentle abrasive crystalline structure. What it replaces: abrasive bathroom cleaners, carpet deodorizers, refrigerator odor absorbers, mattress fresheners, drain deodorizers. Baking soda's dual action of mild abrasion and chemical odor neutralization makes it uniquely versatile. Unlike fragrance-based deodorizers that mask smells, baking soda's alkalinity chemically neutralizes acidic odor molecules, providing genuine elimination rather than temporary masking. Ingredient number 3. Dish soap. The chemistry: surfactant molecules that surround and lift oil and grease from surfaces. What it replaces: kitchen degreasers, bathroom cleaners, floor cleaners, laundry pre-treatment, car washing soap. Dish soap is arguably the most versatile ingredient on this list because surfactant chemistry applies to virtually every cleaning challenge involving oils, grease, or organic matter. Ingredient number 4. Hydrogen peroxide. The chemistry: oxidizing agent releasing reactive oxygen upon contact with organic matter. What it replaces: mold removers, stain removers, disinfectant sprays, toilet cleaners, produce washes. Hydrogen peroxide's oxidizing action kills mold, bacteria, and fungi, while bleaching organic stains through oxygen-based rather than chlorine-based chemistry. Unlike bleach, it breaks down into water and oxygen, leaving no toxic residue and posing no ongoing health risk. Ingredient number 5. Lemon juice. The chemistry: citric acid with natural antimicrobial compounds. What it replaces: brass and copper cleaners, cutting board sanitizers, microwave cleaners, garbage disposal fresheners, and supplementary bleaching for white fabrics. Citric acid's chelating properties specifically target metallic tarnish compounds, making lemon juice remarkably effective on copper and brass surfaces. Ingredient number 6. Salt. The chemistry: sodium chloride providing abrasive action and mild antibacterial properties in high concentrations. What it replaces: abrasive cleaning powders, cutting board sanitizers in combination with lemon, drain maintenance treatments. Coarse salt provides more substantial abrasion than baking soda for applications requiring more aggressive mechanical cleaning without chemical concern. Ingredient number 7. Castile soap. The chemistry: genuine soap made from vegetable oils, biodegradable with broad surfactant properties. What it replaces: body wash, shampoo, hand soap, dish soap, floor cleaner, and multi-surface cleaner in a single concentrated product. Castile soap's versatility is extraordinary because genuine soap chemistry works across personal care and household cleaning applications. If this just showed you how to save thousands annually, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell for specific recipes and applications for each ingredient. Share with anyone spending too much on specialized cleaning products. Comment how much you currently spend monthly on cleaning supplies. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, understand your chemistry, simplify your cleaning cabinet, and keep the thousands of rupees you've been unnecessarily spending.